So friends, today we have got another live episode for you. Today is 9th of October 2025 and today is Thursday. We have prepared another menu for you. The menu is the same as we have prepared yesterday, and this origin is state of Odisha. It has got another food items also because we have to supply the food items to the cafeteria where the students are taking the food. But today we have got one plus point. We are not having the burden of supplying the food to the staff area, that is the basic training restaurant. That is one thing, one plus point. But still, we are not afraid of the work. We are always ready to work at any point of time, at any moment, because we love work and we know that if you work, you can learn the things. So I am Bankim Johar, the head of the department, and today we have got Sania Khatun. She is the student supervisor, and she is very much regular, and she is very much eminent, and she is very much dedicated to her work. So I will come after some time. Let me give the entire scene over to Sania, the student supervisor. So till then, I will come back very soon. Thank you.
Namaste viewers. Today, the 9th day of October 2025. My name is Sanya. I am from 2nd 27. Today we prepared Odisha menu. Odisha is known as its fresh local ingredients and its vegetables, grains, and etc. many more, and it is also known for its abundant seafoods. So my team prepared Odisha menu. Let's have a close look. This is salad, aloo dum dahi vada, Oreo mangoes tarkari, dalma, pitha, chena jhilli. Now let's move to the tasting and review session. So this is salad. Please tell about the card.
Good afternoon viewers. So we have prepared salad, and this is veggies of lemon, and this is slice of tomato and pass out, and this is slice of onion and chukandar, beetroot and carrot also. So this is हम सजाया है सैलेड को.
Now this is aloo dahi vada, aloo dum. Please can you explain it?
I am Vivekpal, the student of second year. Me and my friend Rishabh Rathod, we both prepared this dish. So I request my friend Rishabh Rathod to explain the recipe of this dish.
Thank you. So namaskar viewers, my name is Rishabh Rathod. I am a student of 3rd semester 2nd year from Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. So as our supervisor say, the culture and food of Odisha. So from that beautiful culture and food, we have a mouth-watering dish which is dahi. So it is a compound dish. It is a mixture of dahi vada and dum aloo. So have a look, please. As you can see, the color contrast of dahi with anar dana and dum aloo is looking very beautiful. So I would like to invite supervisor, please pass your comments on this dish. On the presentation, please.
The presentation is really beautiful, and the cherry on the top is these pomegranates, and the color difference, that contrast is matching very well. You did it very well.
Thank you so much for your comment.
Now can
So
you please
let's have a taste.
Okay, it's perfectly cooked.
Yeah, it's perfectly cooked.
Yes,
As you
I
can
can see
see,
that.
as you can see, please have a close look. As you can see, the vadas is very soft and the potato is also very well cooked.
Easy to cut.
Yes, it's easy to cut. So please, supervisor, have a taste. Please pass your comments on this beautiful dish. What do you feel after having the ingredients, the flavors of this beautiful dish? Please pass your comments.
It's not too sweet. It's not too salty. And the taste of pomegranate, it enhances it, and it's not that sour because they also have added dahi in it, so it's not like so sour. It tastes good, and I can taste that dahi in vada too. It's good.
So it is a local dish of Odisha which is loved by all the local peoples and also it is loved by internationally. So this is a presentation of this beautiful dish. Thank you so much.
Now let's move to Oreo mangoes tarkari. So Tushar, can you please explain it?
Yeah, sure. Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Tushar Singh and I am the third semester student of Institute of Hotel Management, Gwalior. So today we have another cuisine menu which comes from Odisha. So Odisha basically is the state of India and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Odisha is famous for their unique handicraft, famous temples and their culture. And if I'm talk about the famous dishes of Odisha, it's basically your dalma, santula, besara. And in non-veg, we have made, me and Sanika has made Oreo tarkari. It's a basically non-veg item. It's a red gravy based dish in which we have used mutton. If I'm talk about the ingredients of this recipe, so basically we have used onion, ginger, garlic paste, and we have used marination of the mutton is also much important, in which we use red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and the most important thing which make this recipe red gravy, that is tomato puree. So that this dish will become red gravy. As you can see, we have used coriander leaves on the top and oil is separated. That means the gravy is properly cooked. Now I am going to taste it. So supervisor, you should also taste this recipe.
Little bit.
Okay, little bit. Yes, please taste it. Sanika, you should also taste it. As you can see, the color of the gravy, cameraman please focus here, the color of the gravy is perfectly cooked and oil is separated. Okay, please Sanika, please taste it.
Okay, so it is spicy as it should. Spiciness is good, and the separated oil makes it look more good, and the separated oil indicates that it is perfectly cooked. And I can also taste tomato puree, and the spiciness and the aroma of coriander. And
Viewers, you know why this recipe is totally cooked? Because we have used, me and Sanika have used our application of mind while making this recipe. Application of mind is most important thing while making any recipe, and you should also try this recipe at your home. And it's a very simple one, and you will get lots of help for this YouTube channel, our YouTube channel of IHM Gwalior Live. So you should watch video on regular basis and make this recipe at your home, so that you can take some help also. Sanya, you should please also tell me, there is any difference between yesterday Oreo turkey and today's Oreo turkey, which is made by me and Sanya?
Yesterday's Oreo turkey was not that spicy, so it was a little sweet, which was not good. But today it is spicy and it is not sweet.
And there is any room improvement for us in this recipe?
Salt should be just a
Little bit. Okay, so we should keep this thing in our mind from next time. So that is a recipe which is made by me and Sanika. Thank you.
Now let's move to dalma, which is made by Vivek and its team. Sonu, can you please explain?
दालमा इसको बनाने के लिए दाल ली गई है, उसमें आलू, पोटैटो, ऑनियन और गाजर का डाला गया, उसको मिक्स किया गया है, उसको पकाया गया है।
It is looking good. The color, that yellowish color. There is no room for improvement in this because it tastes really good. The dal is perfectly cooked. The salt is perfect, and the taste of that beans, it is also good. You made it good. Correct. Now let's move to pitha, which is made by Sonu. Can you please explain it?
Hello everyone, I am Sonu Verma from Larman Madhya, and I today prepared pitha. This is a dessert Odisha from Odisha, and this is a called pitha. And I firstly mixed corn flour, milk, and maida and other ingredients to make a batter, and then I made it like dosa, and I filled it with a khoa mawa and bake it, and finally I topped with cream. malai. I request to HOD sir, please test it.
So friends, this is the dish from the eastern part of India, and I will taste a little bit. There is a point that we have not received the rice flour today because of some other reason. Maybe it was not available properly in its good quality in the market. So I have told you earlier that we do not stop. We are always ready to work at any moment. Even when the moment we came to know that the rice flour is not available, I instructed Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani ji to carry on without that. The credit goes to Brijmohan Gabrani ji because he is very much eminent, and under the support of Mr. Suresh Bhaiya, we have made this particular dish. But one thing, friend, I will tell you, if you are dedicated towards your work, if you are positive minded, the nature will give you the good result. Because I have seen it here, cameraman just have a close up. You can see the covering which has been made by using the refined flour and the corn flour. The covering has not given or created any difference with its originality. When I have it, I can see that the taste is almost 99% being maintained, and I cannot understand that the rice flour is not available. That is the magic. If you have got a plus point in your mind that we will make the show a success, then the nature will help you out, the God will help you out, that yes, you are a positive minded person, you will be successful. So we have become successful. The credit goes to Brijmohan Gabrani ji and obviously our Suresh Bhaiya. And cameraman, another time you have a close up. I will say that this liquid part of the food, that is the rabdi, that is also very good. Okay, so that was the thing, friend. It was a great success. After that, we have got the most mouth-watering dish, that is chhena jhilli. So supervisor, please.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Varun Chere. I am from Chanderi. I am prepared Odisha menu. This is sweet dish. छेना झिल्ली, इसको छेना जलेबी भी कह सकते हैं अपन. और ये बनती है छेने से. छेने में बाइंडिंग एजेंट होता है अपना कॉर्न फ्लोर एंड रिफाइंड फ्लोर. और इसको इनहेंस, टेस्ट को इनहेंस करने के लिए इसमें इलायची का पाउडर डाला जाता है. और एंड डेकोरेटेड पिस्ता and prepared sugar syrup and dip sugar syrup. This is the taste supervisor, please.
Is there any room for improvement? Is it perfectly all right? Do you think that the beating was to be much more because
Yes.
it has not risen properly? Okay.
So I can taste the roughness. But
The roughness is
the
there.
sweetness is good. It is not that much sweet, but I can taste the roughness. Yes.
That is there. Friends, it will go if you beat it properly. Because of the lack of the time, we cannot beat for a longer time period. If you beat it properly, like the jalebi mixture or the imarti mixture you do, then it will give you a very good look and the pipe making will be perfect. So that is a room for improvement. I think the sugar syrup has gone inside, but if you keep it for a longer time period, it will be puffing up much more. So ultimately the product was good. It's not very good, but it's good. So friends, we have come to the end of the session and you have seen that every day we are uploading the video. The main purpose behind it is let us understand each other, let us understand the requirement of each other. This is the need of the time and demand of the hour, that the tourism industry is growing higher and higher, and we are a part and parcel of the tourism industry. And being a part and parcel of the great tourism industry in India, we are always trying to make new dishes under the direction of the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, and we are being guided by the National Council also, and we are owing to the fact we are making a promise to the point, before everybody, that we will always keep working for the betterment of our great country, our institute, and our students will keep learning more and more. So don't waste any your time. Please take admission in hotel management, those who have just completed class 12 or those who have completed their graduation also, you are also eligible. So friends, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly, stay blessed. Namaskar.